Hello friends, this is Shahzad and you are watching Shahzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix keyboard lagging after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. There is many method to solve this issue. First is force restart your iPhone. For force restarting, firstly press the volume up button, volume down button and press and hold the power button until you see Apple logo appear, and then release the power button to restart your device. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is remove third party keyboards. So just simply tap on settings. Here you can tap on general and now you can see keyboard. Tap on it. Here you can tap on keyboard and here you can add new keyboard and remove keyboard from here to fix keyboard lagging problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another is reset keyboard dictionary. For resetting, tap on settings. Here you can tap on general and scroll up and you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, tap on reset and here you can see reset keyboard dictionary. Tap on it, enter your passcode. After entering passcode, you can reset dictionary to fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is force close all opened apps and background apps. So tap on settings, tap on general. Here you can see background app refresh. Tap on it. Here you can see background app refresh is on. Tap on it and here you can tap on off to fix your keyboard lagging. So if this solution is also not working, then we move to another solution. Another is enable reduce motion. So tap on settings, tap on accessibility, tap on motion and now you can see reduce motion. Turn it on to fix keyboard problem. If this solution is also not working, then we move to another is reset all settings. So tap on settings, tap on general, scroll up and you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and here tap on reset. Now you can see reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings to reset the settings only without losing any data. So guys, if all this solution is not working, then we move to another is tap on settings. Here general and software update. Tap on it, checking for update. If you have any pending update, download and install it to fix your problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.